Santipap, Lakman Rock, Sawadikap, Chulopop, Noy, Noy, Nay, Noy, 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 Oi, Oi, Oi. Hi guys, I'm with my friend and we eat Sangyup. Sangyup from Korea style. Do you know
Korea sa likod.
Korean Sangyup is came from Filipino word? Yes, Sangyup means sang. Sang means sang-ayon. Okay, sang-ayon. Yup means
Isuryup.
yes. Sigup. That's mean sangyup. So, you know that is not Korean word. That is a Filipino Bisano word. Now you know. Okay. Sawadikap.